And that brings out the stars, the ones that have been making the moolah this year, isn't it actually, Vikram? Let's not overlook. And the billionaires, the India Inc. billionaires, definitely there are a few unlikely candidates. One of them has to be Savitri Jindal. The other one is Cyrus Poonawalla in the year gone by. Look at the wealth that they've actually created. But there you go, Mukesh Ambani. The climb has been pretty much flat when it comes to the billionaires list for Mukesh Ambani. But there's one tricky billionaire, actually, Vikram, who's on both the sides. Who's also seen the snake side of it as well and the ladder side of it. Any guesses?
This has to be Gautam Adani, and that journey has been quite remarkable. It is the kind of stratospheric rises, the sudden drops that we've seen in his fortunes. Just take a look at how his net worth has fallen from the recent peak that we've seen. It's been quite a dramatic journey, but that's always how it's been.
Well, actually, to be very honest with Gautam Adani, definitely it has to be the news flow that actually marred the stock performance.
It did, in a big way.
In the month of January, there you go, he was at his peak. That's his net worth. If you look at it, $149.9 billion. And then that sort of
all the way down to 61 billion.
Yes, all the way down to 61 billion. And it's just news flow that can actually do wonders when it comes to a person's wealth, and not wonders in Gautam Adani's case at this time around. But definitely, one thing very key to note is a lot of the stocks in Adani Group counters have actually recovered from those lows that it had hit in the month of February and March, and remarkable turnaround coming in most of these counters.
Yeah, so like Adani Enterprises, like Adani Ports, we've seen that kind of
Yes, we've seen that sort of a comeback. You know, once you know the dust is settled in and you have the investors saying, no, these are good businesses, we need to back them. And you've seen actually the stock performance for yourself.
It has happened. But then, of course, there are several women billionaires. They shine on, formidable women who we have been watching, like Savitri Jindal, like Rohika Cyrus Mistry, like Rekha Jhunjhunwala. They've been scripting their own success stories, haven't they, Cheryl?
Absolutely, absolutely. With Savitri Jindal, if you see that worth more than $25 billion right now. Look at Rekha Jhunjhunwala, and who doesn't know Miss Rekha Jhunjhunwala is clocking in over $7 billion, and definitely remarkable women. The success stories also by themselves, isn't it? The fact that Rekha Jhunjhunwala has investments in marquee investments in the Indian markets as well.
Yes. Amazing highs and lows. That's what this Samvat has been all about. What is going to follow is something that we are watching very closely. But for the moment, we'll take a very small breather. We'll be back with more on Snakes and Ladders just after this break. Do stay with us.